everyone. Welcome to the Chat Forever show. Our first guest for today will be Praful Ranjan. Good morning, sir. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good morning, Arna. I am fine. What about you?
I am fine too. Can you please introduce yourself?
Myself, Praful Ranjan, Assistant Professor in THDC Institute of Hydropower Engineering Technology in Tihri. Right now, I am holding the position or responsibility of Dean Student Welfare and also Head of the Department of EC Department and also Nodal Officer in Samaj Kalyan Vibhag for a scholarship for students. I have done BTech in SRM Engineering College and I have done MTech from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Delhi. Currently, I am in assistant professor in since 8 years.
Okay, so I have some questions for you. The question is, was there any effect on your health during the lockdown?
There is no issue on my health during lockdown because I am during lockdown and I am much care about our health. So we are spending some time from jogging and some exercise.
Okay, so how did it affect teaching your students?
It's during lockdown, it's too much effect in my teaching because I am in Uttarakhand and the position in Tihri is hilly area, In 70% area are hilling, so the network connection is badly affected during hill region. So the proper network connection is not up to mark. So that in online teaching, it's too much difficulty to take classes online and other things. Students are not having laptops or smartphones, so that's it's too much difficulty in taking class and 50% of student of joining in online classes, but in the online classes 20 to 30% people or students are only mute the classes or off the record or off the video and they are enjoying, though they are not listening in the class properly.
Okay, so my next question is, was there any change in your routine?
Yeah, some changes in my life during lockdown because you are not going outside the house. So in the physical activity from playing cricket, it's banned, or some other physical activity you can't do outside the home. So that's it's much effect, or the fooding habit is also changed in during lockdown.
Okay, so my next question is, how did you spend time with your family?
Yeah, I have too much time spent within family because in busy schedule I have not take too much time to spend from our family. So it's a better time to spend playing cricket with my son and my niece also, and the gossiping, and spend the time in taking other activities or seeing, watching TV and playing others indoor games.
Okay, so I asked you some questions. Now you can ask me some questions too.
Okay, so how you can spend your time in lockdown?
So I used to study and to play, and I used to do drawing and dancing and singing in the lockdown.
Okay. In lockdown, you can miss your class teacher, schoolmates.
Yes, I missed my school and my teachers and my classmates.
Okay. So, what your opinion in online classes or offline classes? What is in comparative zone in online classes is comfortable or offline classes is comfortable for your give me the opinion.
For me, offline classes are more comfortable.
Okay. Do you have any issue in medical during lockdown?
No.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Our second guest for today will be Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sarah. I study in class 6th. My school name is Faith Academy.
Okay. So, I have some questions for you. Were there any effects on your studies during the lockdown?
There was no effects on my study during lockdown.
Okay. So, my next question is, did you feel like going to school?
No, I didn't feel like going to school because I didn't get up early and get up like school uniforms, and whenever the child has to come in Zoom class, they come and disturb our classes and go.
Okay.
Next.
Okay, so the next question is, now that you were at home, did you have fun with your family?
I have a lot of fun with my family. For example, we play games, cooking, and reading book.
Okay, my next question is very common, and it is, did you learn something new in the lockdown?
We learned so many things during lockdown, like cooking and doing writing and calligraphy writing, then drawings like realistic and still life.
Okay, this much?
Yeah, thank you.
And I've asked you some questions, and now I want you to ask me some questions.
Do you get irritated in lockdown? If yes, so why?
Yes, I really got irritated in the lockdown. I could not go outside to play. I could not meet my friends. I was just locked in the house, and I was just in the house, and I could not go shopping and playing and anywhere.
And what do you do with your fam? In lockdown? What do you have? What you have learned new?
So I learned many things. I learned to dance. I learned to sing. I learned to draw and paint and many things, etc. So thank you everyone